You eat the whole thing, like legs and. Oh, it smells terrible.
She's breaking it all up into little bits.
Over. I told you before, but we didn't do that. Oh, come on, eat that cockroach. Some chili. Some chili on it. It's not spicy. It's not good.
It's not good.
It's just really, really chewy.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like awful.
I tried cricket. I think cricket and that's what the same. That's one I don't eat.
No, the cricket was better. Yeah, it tasted better.
Good job. Yeah, good one. Yeah. Congratulations. Yeah. Good job. I say game is over. The last 10 minutes ago I told you you didn't do that.